I made over 5,000 on this position. This is a very simple trade that each of you can repeat if you learn all these lessons from this video. This is the most concise and intense step-by-step guide to getting started in Forex trading. One viewing of this video will save you from making a mistake that you will be correcting for years, at the risk of never making money in trading. The most important thing you will learn in this video is that we are going to learn together how to read charts from scratch. I'll show you one simple pattern that has worked for years and where to put your stop loss and take profit. We'll use an automatic indicator, and you'll also learn how to simply calculate your position so that you don't suck a lemon from FOMO and lose your entire balance. Who am I to listen to me? My name is Kaleb. I have been trading Forex for over 6 years, and I share these results in my channel. I share it every day. I once started from scratch too, so let me tell you what I learned. First of all, I would like to give you some advice on the assets we will be trading on. In Forex, you can trade 5 days a week or 24 hours a day due to the fact that we buy and sell codes of currency pairs. It is better to start trading with the 10 most popular assets. Mostly they are related to either the euro or the dollar on any more or less normal broker. All these assets will be reliable and available and very liquid for accurate and competent trade. Right now I'm on TradingView, and here is the whole list of assets that I analyze daily, including silver and including gold, which I also trade. And now I'm making you a little bit happier. If you learn how to trade the scheme in this video, you can trade any assets in any market. The principle is everywhere the same. Now let's move on to the charts, because this is the most important thing we have to work with. Even if you do not understand anything, I will tell you about the most basic strategy with which you will be able to make your first trades. First of all, you will need to TradingView.com platform. I have it open in my browser right now. You create a free account. It will be enough for you, and open a super chart in any asset. It is done very simply. Just go to Nasdaq, for example, click on Open Super Chart, and you get this picture. I recommend you to download this application right away because it is one I'm going to work with now. I think it is a bit more convenient. First of all, after adding all the assets, you will need to little bit customize the chart, and let me briefly run through the main settings that you will need today. I always trade on a candlestick type of chart. I never traded on a line chart type, so I suggest you do the same. For those who do not understand, Japanese candlesticks display the range of price movement. For example, if the pairs this segment, we realize that we have a time frame of 1 hour. This means that one Japanese candlestick is formed exactly in 1 hour. So this is the movement for 1 hour. Here we started, and here it ended. And shadows are just the history of price movement. So once, let's say this candlestick was a rising candlestick, but then a seller came to the stock market, sold the price lower, so we closed the price very close to the opening. But there was a shadow as a history of price movement. Accordingly, the older time frame, let's say 4 hours, the larger the chart is. Accordingly, the younger the time frame, let's say 15 minutes or 5 minutes, the more detailed the picture is. The choice of time frame depends only on your trading style. On all time frame, strategies works exactly the same. There is certainly that strategies work better on older time frames, but I honestly have not observed such a thing. Therefore, if you want to trade daily and a lot, I advise you to choose a time frame for 5 to 15 minutes. If you are satisfied with 2 or maybe 3 trades per week, with the help of which, by the way, you can also earn excellent money, I advise you to trade on time frames from 30 minutes to 4 hours. I hope we get the gist of TradingView and the candlestick chart type. Now let's determine how we can still anticipate the price movement. For example, can you tell exactly where the price will go on this chart? Up or down? Try to turn on your intuition and predict a little. Write right now in the comments where the chart will go, and we will know it in a minute. Let me help you with the analysis. Now let's add an indicator of arithmetic levels. It's called support and resistance. Here is the author called Chart Prime. He has 17,000 users. You can add it to your chart with one click, and let's customize it a little bit. Go to the settings. Here I disable this parameter and change the period of 25.